Hi, this is your friend Tunrada Muhari. Welcome to my channel. This is my twin brother. Hi, I am his twin brother Taslimullah Muhari. If I ask you a question, do you want to do time travel? Does time travel is possible? Yes, time travel is possible. In this video, we'll know how can we do. So let's see time travel first. Then we'll go to the mainstream. In science fiction series, the curvature of time and space is a normal thing. It is used to travel around the galaxy fast and to do time travel. But the present science fiction is the future science. So what is the possibility to do time travel? So Sir Stephen Hawking made an experiment to see the probability of doing time travel. To do this, he has arranged a party at Trinity College in Cambridge. This party was only for the time travelers. So this is the invitation letter of the party. But Stephen Hawking wrote this party invitation after finishing the party. He waited there at the party hall to see that is there any time traveler will come to join the party. But no one came to the party. So this proves that time travel can't be possible. But there are some mathematical complex theory in quantum mechanics and in general relativity which proves that time travel is possible. But Albert Einstein, one of the greatest scientists of our world, has said it is possible to do time travel. Many of you are feeling excited. Wait, don't be excited, because there is $1 million but, which is time travel can only be possible according to Einstein if we can travel with the speed of light. And we know the speed of light is 3 lakh km per second. Albert Einstein have explained this process in this way. To do time travel, we have to make a train which can move with the speed of light, means 3 lakh km per second. And we should make the railway track round all over our world. If we could able to travel in this train for 7 days, then we will be able to go 65 years future. But to make a train in the light speed is next to impossible. So based on these two scientists, we can say time travel is not possible for human to do at this moment.
Thanks for watching this video. Try to watch another video. That's for today. See you on next week.